Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Excel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the most important and selected 20 questions with answer of production department in pharmaceutical industry. So let's begin the video. Question number 1. Define tablet. Tablet is a solid dosage form. It contains the active pharmaceutical ingredient along with the excipients. Question number 2. Define API. API known as active pharmaceutical ingredient. It is the first and important ingredient in any drug formulation. It is a biologically active component responsible for the drug effect. Question number 3. Explain about water for injection, WFI. Purified water without any pyrogen, prepared by distillation or reverse osmosis. Question number 4. Name any 3 tablet processing problems and explain it. Number 1, mottling. Number 2, capping. And number 3, lamination. Mottling is unequal color distribution of a tablet. Capping is partial or complete separation of a tablet top or bottom crowns, and in the case of lamination, the tablets are separated into 2 or more layers. Question number 5. What do you mean by DQ, IQ, OQ and PQ? DQ is design qualification. Documented verification that the proposed design of the facilities, equipment or system is suitable for the intended purposes. And IQ is installation qualification. Documented verification that the equipment or system are installed or modified and comply with the approved design of the manufacturer recommendation and or user requirements. OQ is operational qualification. Documented verification that the equipment or system are installed or modified and perform as intended throughout the anticipated operating ranges. PQ is performance qualification. Documented verification that the equipment and NCLE system are concepted and can perform effectively and reproducibly based on the approved process, method and specification. Question number 6. Define primary and secondary packaging. The primary packaging consists of those packaging components which have a direct contact with the product, that is bottle, cap liner, label, etc. The secondary packaging mainly provide the additional physical protection necessary to endure the safe warehouse and for refill packaging. Question number 7. How many methods of sterilization involved in the pharmaceutical plant? Number 1, physical method. Number 2, thermal method. Number 3, radiation method. Number 4, filtration method. Number 5, chemical method. Number 6, gaseous method. Question number 8. Write down the tablet manufacturing process. There are 3 types of tablet manufacturing process. Number 1, wet granulation. Number 2, dry granulation. And number 3, direct compression. Question number 9. What are the difference between ointment and cream? An ointment is 80% oil and 20% water. A cream is 50% oil and 50% water. Ointment is an emulsion of water or oil. A cream is an emulsion of oil and water. Thin ointment has very moisturizing effect, preferable for dry skin. Cream has moderate in moisturizing, preferable for moist skin. Question number 10. What are the factors which influence tablet hardness? Number 1, compression force. Number 2, binder quantity. Number 3, moisture content. Question number 11. If sticking observed during tablet compression, what may the probable reason for the same? If the granules are not dried properly, sticking can occur. Too little or improper lubrication, too much binder, hygroscopic granular. Question number 12. What are the basic difference between auxiliary and suspension? In an auxiliary, the active ingredients are mixed with a liquid, usually a kind of syrup or alcohol in which they can dissolve. In a suspension, the medicine is mixed with a liquid, usually water, in which it cannot dissolve and therefore remains intact in the form of small particles. The important thing to remember is that you have to shake a suspension before giving each dosage so that the medicine particles are evenly distributed throughout the liquid. Question number 13. What is clean room and aseptic area? Clean room, a room in which the concentration of airborne particles is controlled to meet a specified airborne particulate cleanliness class. Aseptic area, any area in an aseptic process system for which airborne particulate and microorganism levels are controlled to specific levels appropriate to the activities conducted with the environment. Question number 14. Which types of water is used in sterile preparation? In sterile preparation, the water used, that is water for injection. The character of water for injection is a clear, colorless, odorless and tasteless liquid. Question number 15. Define strip package and blister package. Strip packages have at least one sealed pocket of material in each pocket containing a single dose of the product. The package is made of 2 layers of film or laminated materials. Blister packages are composed of a base layer which cavities called blister which contain the pharmaceutical product and a lid. This lid is sealed to the base layer by heat, pressure or both. Question number 16. Which colors used in parental formulations? Colors will not be used in the parental formulations. Question number 17. Difference between water for injection and sterile water for injection. Water for injection is purified water without any pyrogen, and sterile water for injection is purified and sterile water without any pyrogen. Question number 18. Give the examples for diluent and lubricants. Diluents are mannitol, sorbitol, starch, lactose, sucrose, etc. And the lubricants are magnesium citrate, calcium citrate, acetic acid, etc. Question number 19. What is excipient and give any 2 examples with their use? Excipient is an inactive or inert component of the drug formulation which is helpful for improving the tablet characteristics. Examples are diluents. It is useful for increasing the bulk volume of a tablet, also used for improving the flow properties while compressing the tablet, and the other is lubricants. It is useful for improving the flow properties while compressing the tablet. Question number 20. What is pyrogen? They are the metabolic products of microorganisms produced from living or dead microorganisms.